Dosa.
For making a dosa, you need to heat a thick bottomed cast iron griddle or non-stick pan. The pan should be medium hot. You can keep the flame to a low or medium while making dosas. If using an iron pan, then spread 1 by 4 to 1 by 2 teaspoon oil or ghee all over the pan. You're doing this because the dosa should not stick to the bottom of the pan, and if it sticks, it will become very difficult for it to leave the pan and it can sometimes burn. So that the pan becomes little oily, we do this. Do not spread oil or ghee on a non-stick pan. Do keep the flame on low to low medium flame so that you are easily able to spread the batter. If the pan base is very thick, then keep the flame to medium. Pour a ladle of the batter in the center. With the ladle, gently begin to spread the batter in round circles. If the pan is very hot, you won't be able to spread the batter in the round circle. So, for a non-stick pan, just lift the pan from the flame and keep outside for some seconds or half a minute. Now with a spoon drizzle and spread some oil on the dosa. You can add less or more oil as per your requirements. Now cover the pan with a lid. Keep cooking till you see the base becoming golden. The more the base becomes golden, the paper dosa becomes more crisp. Now, with the spatula, fold the crisp paper dosa. Now I will eat and show you how crispy the dosa has become. Serve the paper dosa with coconut chutney, potato masala and groundnut chutney.